Welcome to the beautiful Finnish forest where we move our bodies every single day, regardless of the gray skies or what's going on outside of us. Let's simply step to the side, swing your arms. Today, let's just focus on building energy. How quickly can we energize our bodies? Take on a positive mindset, as well as build some strength, mobility, balance, stamina, all that good stuff we look for in a 10-minute or so movement session. But let's see if we can't get that energy elevated very quickly, sustain it through the whole session, and sustain it through our entire day. Similar movement, but now let's just step, twist, reach your arm across your body. Lots of similar movements we do here every day. We're not reinventing the wheel. We just want to be a little stronger, a little more mobile, a little better balanced. You know the routine, but ultimately in 10 minutes or so, if our mood is boosted and our energy is elevated, I think it makes it a worthwhile session. I don't know about you, but I find when I move my body first thing, it just makes me want to move more throughout the entire day. Move more to move more. Okay, now just sort of on the balls of your feet, just legs come to the side. Find the flow and rhythm here, and also move around your space a little bit. See if you can't bring a little bit of a jump, a hop, where you're coming off the ground a little bit. I would love to encourage us to get a little bit more jumping, hopping into our routines. There's some really great evidence about building bone density from jumping. Think of children jump all the time. When was the last time you actually jumped? I'd like to try to incorporate that a little bit more into our sessions. And this is a nice, gentle way to maybe begin getting up just a millimeter or so. But is our energy boosted? Is our mood elevated? If so, then we've been successful in our session already. Hopefully we're warmed up, feeling good. Very simple. But I'm gonna go with a bit of pace, and I'm gonna connect to my breath when I do it. Just a nice step, bend and reach. When you stand up, get real long and tall. Feel your spine decompress. Connect to your breathing, just like that. Real mindful movement, but also building amazing flexibility, strength. Believe it or not, balance as well. Couple more here. Ooh, yes, feeling good. Now that we've bent a little bit, I just want to flow with the arms. Side to side. I sort of imagine a bit of a golf swing, if you will. If you're a golfer, this will resonate with you. You can even hold your golf club back and forth. Come up off your heel, or do what you like with your hands. You get to choose your own adventure here. But just to and fro. But I encourage when you get to the top, reach up. Again, feel your spine decompressing. Bring that breath work into it. Oh, one of the greatest ways to boost our energy. Simply one conscious breath. Taking a few deep breaths can make all the difference. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. We're coming right into our sumo sun, where we collect all the energy and bring it into us. Leg strength is so important. You know me. Wider stance, tilt your feet, sort of a sumo stance here. And we're gonna sink down, make a big circle with your arms, collect all that energy from outside of you and bring it in. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And just think of all that energy you're bringing in towards yourself. Oh, there's abundance of energy. Sink a little lower. Look up to the sky for neck mobility. Last one here. Oh, yes. Oh, can we practice a little bit of balance? We did this yesterday. I do love this move. We had the tree with us. So if you have a wall nearby, use it if you need it, or chairs, even better. But just this simple, but not necessarily easy movement. I think it's good to come back to things. When we've tried it one day, maybe we weren't super successful. What's the adage, right? Fall off your bike, try again. Maybe you can get a little bit lower. Your leg comes up a little higher. Simple, not easy. No toxic thoughts, no negative judgments about yourself. You are perfect right where you are. And it's also perfect your desire to get just a little bit better. Ooh, last one. I'm gonna hold it for a moment. Challenge yourself. Ooh, yes. Now let's. My most favorite of Qigong movements. Squat down just a bit, breathe in, and push down, breathe out. So gentle, so soft. This movement, if you're at work or you're doing something and you're feeling you're lacking energy, what if you were to step outside in the rain, in the wind, in the cold, and do this for 30 seconds? How would that elevate your energy? I think it would work and be pretty great. One more. Let's do a balancing movement as well as practice paying attention, focusing, really reclaiming our attention. How about this tiny little pine? What if we give that all of our attention, all of our focus? Well, we practice a nice, simple, not necessarily easy, balancing exercise. You just do what works for you, but pick that spot and give it all your attention. I invite you to breathe in when your leg comes out, breathe out, breathe in and out. Last one. Maybe we just hold it here for a moment. Give full attention to that spot and notice how incredibly your balance can be. Did it work today? Is your energy elevated? Let me know. Continue to comment so that we can inspire everybody to move their bodies every day for nothing more than boosting mood and energy. But I think we're getting a little bit more done than that when we show up every single day. Thank you so much for being here. Do it again tomorrow? You shook on it. It's a deal. See you then. Goodbye.